Hey, this is the Nemesis Coupe, back with another video, and today I'm going to be talking to you about the clutch switch in a 9th generation Honda Civic, specifically the SI. So that is going to be right there, the clutch pedal. Common symptoms would be your cruise control not working. Basically, you go to turn cruise control on and it just kicks off while you're driving. But it basically happens to where you turn it on and immediately it just kicks off. Another thing, as it progresses, it will give you startability issues. So, you get in your little Honda Civic and you go to push the clutch, because with these, even though it's a push button start, you don't need to press the brake pedal. All you need to press is the clutch, unlocks the steering, turns the vehicle on. However, if you go and try to start your car and the car doesn't start, and basically it gives you a little message saying, please press clutch and push start button, even though you're on the clutch and it won't start, that is indicative of the clutch switch. So I'm going to show you in like 2 seconds where exactly that's at and how to replace that. But primarily, that is the first place I would start if you're having startability issues and issues with your cruise control. Yes, I am in neutral, okay. Now, underneath where your clutch pedal is, you're gonna look right up there. That little guy right there. That is your clutch switch. If I can get in there with the camera. So that black pin, that is the actual thing letting your car know on the clutch, off the clutch. So right here, you want to take that nut off. I believe, I can't remember if that's a 17. I think that's a 17. I can't 100% remember. But you loosen that and then you can thread this whole thing out. But it's a pretty easy thing to replace. It's not all that terrible. And then there is a plug up here. As soon as you get this out, unplug that, pop the new one in. I already went and replaced this, but go ahead and plug it back in and tighten everything down. It's gonna take a little bit to kind of feel where it should be, but I think I have it. Yeah, as long as when you push the clutch, you're completely off of it, you're fine. I pretty much just matched it up to where the old one was. I counted the amount of threads on the actual switch itself, but there you have it. That is how you figure that problem out and replace that part. Not too terrible. Should only take you, 20 minutes or less. But hope you guys enjoyed the video. Hope it helped you. I'll see you guys next time.